Hello gorgeous, welcome to my skincare routine. So today we're going to do a deep detox using a few products and of course my staple, which is the Aztec clay, which helps bring out all the toxins in your body. We're going to use CeraVe as a cleanser so we can cleanse our face thoroughly. I use 2 pumps, but 1 pump is good enough. First we're going to apply some water on the face just to get it damp so that the product can evenly distribute across the face. Distribute. Alright, so next we're going to go in with this silicone little scrubber. It doesn't hurt your face at all. I got it from Dollar Tree a few years ago. Just stick it between your fingers and it helps scrub up some of the whiteheads or any residue of makeup. So this is a good product to have. At the time, Dollar Tree was only $1. So just scrub it over your face. Make sure you get in the corners, on your cheeks, your nose. I'm going to pull out my nose ring so I don't accidentally lose it. But I like this product. It's good to have. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and wash our face. As you can see, the soap suds is still coming back, which is why I said only just use 1 little squirt. That's it. Well, 1 pump. That's it. So I'm going to go over my face again because I want to make sure that my face is thoroughly clean. I have been doing a terrible job with my skincare routine and I should know better. All these I don't do this, I don't do that. I've been a terrible girl. So my plan is to do better before the new year comes. Alright, so now we're going to get a clean paper towel and just wipe our face dry and then move on to the next step. Alright, so here's the Aztec clay. I had already mixed everything up. All I use is a little bit of the clay and then some water. So the thing with the Aztec clay, you need to just use like an old bowl that you don't normally use and a wooden spoon or a plastic spoon. You should not be using metal because it kind of messes up the chemicals or something in it. It's on the instructions, but you just want like a nice consistency paste. With this product, you can distribute all over your face and your neck, and you can also apply it in your hair. Again, this does help remove the toxins and cleanse your face thoroughly. Like I said, you can use this in your hair. It can be as like a clay mask for your natural hair. I've used this before in my hair and my face on previous videos. You should go check those out, how I mixed everything together. And you can also use not Aztec clay, but you can use apple cider vinegar. Now, just be careful with the apple cider vinegar because one time I accidentally poured too much and my face smelled like apple cider vinegar for a few days. My daughter did not want to come near me. I let this clay sit on for about 15 minutes. You can tell when it's ready when you're not able to open your mouth. You see how my lips are just like sticking out because everything is like so tight, and you see how dry it is and it can actually start cracking. So with that being said, just be mindful that if you are sensitive to any type of products like me, your face may start to turn red just a little bit, but don't be alarmed. It will go away. But right now, the feeling of it is kind of itchy and starting to burn just a tad bit. So I'm trying to hurry up and wash this off my face. Here is the Indian Healing Clay Aztec that I use. I get it from my local beauty supply store. It costs around $7 to $8. Washing the clay off with warm water helps remove it. It does get a little messy, so you will have to, wipe down your counter thoroughly, but you will have a little bit in your hair. So I suggest that you wear like a scarf or something if you don't want it in your hair. But I don't mind it being in my edges because I always lay my edges down every day. But anywho, let's go ahead and wipe your face clean. Your face will be dry, but before we even add any moisturizer, what we're going to do is remove some of these whiteheads. So I'm going to use Bore. I got this from, I think, Family Dollar. It's a nose strip. So that's why you want to have like your face clean. You don't have to use the Aztec clay before using this. Again, I was just removing some of the extra toxins out of my skin. But here are the instructions. You want to make sure that your face is clean, and then wet your nose a little bit so that the strip can stay on. So one side is sticky and the other side is like a cloth-like feeling. So what you want to do is peel it off and then place it on your nose. After about 15 minutes or so, you will feel the cloth extremely hard. It was once soft, now it should be hard, where you'll be able to tap it and it will sound hard like clay. So now you just want to peel it off. I'm not going to show you because I know how it can be, a little disgusting to see someone else's whiteheads get pulled out of their skin. So this is not that type of channel. So I see just a little bit, not so much, but we're going to remove the rest of it off because I do see a little bit of whiteheads there. All right, so now I'm going in with the St. Ives Acne Control. This is a face scrub. So I'm just going to use a little bit, and we're going to get mostly in the chin and nose area where I do see a lot of the whiteheads. And then we're going to go back in with that silicone utensil that I used at the beginning of the video. And I know I'm using a lot of different products, but this is a deep cleanse video, so I will not be doing these steps every single day. It will be mostly a cleanser using my whites, and then every now and again I would use the St. Ives Scrub, and then I would use this face little scrubber utensil thing here to like get all the makeup and stuff off, and then follow up with a moisturizer and some serum and all of that other stuff. Alright, so now we're going to get a clean napkin and just pat dry, remove everything from out the corner of your eyes and your hair and all of that jazz, and then move on to the next step. Not sure if you noticed, but I do have a few red spots on my face, which is fine. Like I said, it will go away. Some of it is from the Aztec clay, and then the rest is from scrubbing my face. Okay, so your face should be nice, squeaky clean. Right now it's a little dry, so we're going to use the CeraVe moisturizing lotion. And honey, CeraVe is expensive. All right, which is why I had to switch to CeraVe. But the girls and I, we like CeraVe, but again, CeraVe is more of a reasonable price. So you just want to put some moisturizer on your face and then move on to like applying makeup and applying your serum and everything else on your face that you would normally do. But for right now, I just wanted to cleanse my face and put a little bit of moisturizer on it. If you made it this far in the video, please drop a blue heart down below and let me know what products do you use on your face. Have you used any of the products that I have used? Or if not, do you plan on using some of the products that I've used? Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, gorgeous.